hello and welcome back. Right behind this door, we got something that's been a long time awaiting. Our 86 Countach Lamborghini Kit Car. So, Andy's gonna take a little spin, the last one for his life. All right. So anyways, you ready?
Yeah.
Just keep it local. Cross your fingers. Here we go. All right. So. All right. This is its maiden voyage since we've got it. You got 31%. Hurry up. Let's go. We're gonna say a few of these. You found reverse. There we go. We still have to get it to an alignment shop and test and tune. So this is its maiden voyage. We're just gonna go around in a circle here. There he is. And here we go. Oh, I stalled it. There he comes. Oh, there we go. Like we got a couple of bugs to work out. This thing has power steering, I think. Yeah, let's put it inside. All right, I'll bet he's happy to be back and see what he says. Okay. Wait, hang on. Let's just look at the face.
I'm not driving this no more.
Oh boy, it's not friendly, huh?
No, it ain't.
All right. What is the issue that you're having? Is it the shift?
The shift? I'm going on the front end on this thing. Like you can feel like it's...
Oh, well, there's no alignment on this.
It's really bad then. It's like way off.
Oh, you should have seen it before when he came in. It was toe out like
This thing, man,
20 degrees.
It's bad. I wouldn't drive it down the road.
All right, well, this has to get to an alignment shop, but that's why I wanted to get a pre-check to see what was going on. All right, have you look at the inside here. That's the thing about kit cars. No matter how much time you put into it, and there was a vast amount of work. The whole dash, gauges, the shifter, we tried to do the best we could. We remade panels, put the radio on the bottom, reinstall that, got a new AC. The AC was still working awesome. Got a new bezel for the shifter. Just fabbed all that. And the doors, so much engineering. But one of the things he says we're going to need is some kind of grab handle, because I guess unless you're a long-armed person, it's kind of hard to grab and close that. And this is not for, let's just say I'm not going to fit too well in here. It is literally tight quarters. The owner is much smaller than I am, so in any case, that's what you get with a kit car. But anyway, so we still have a few bugs to work out ahead of us, and try to get her home soon. Thanks for watching.